CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. 802.11x. To understand the topic 802.11x, we first need to talk about Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, is a wireless networking interface technology that allows computing devices to connect to and communicate with other computing devices wirelessly. It's most commonly used in homes, small offices, coffee shops, airports, just about anywhere you need wireless network access. Now that we've defined Wi-Fi, let's talk about how it's standardized. Wi-Fi is not just one fixed technology, it has gone through many improvements and versions over the years. These versions are based on a series of standards, all beginning with the numbers 802.11. These standards define how devices communicate wirelessly, including things like speed, frequency, signal strength, and range. These standards are created by a professional organization called the IEEE, which stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. The IEEE is responsible for developing and maintaining many of the world's most important technical standards, especially in fields like networking, telecommunications, and computing. Since Wi-Fi first hit the scene in 1997, the IEEE has introduced several versions of the 802.11 standard, like 802.11a, b, g, n, ac, and the more recent 802.11ax. Each version has brought faster speeds, better performance, and improved reliability. Now, let's talk about 802.11x. This term might sound like a specific version, but it's actually not. 802.11x is often used as a placeholder or shorthand to refer to any of the 802.11 wireless standards. Think of the X as a variable, it simply stands in for whatever letter version you're discussing. So if someone says 802.11x, they're not referring to a specific version. Instead, they're referring to the entire family of wireless networking standards under the 802.11 umbrella. This kind of shorthand is helpful when you're talking about Wi-Fi in general, or when you don't need to get into the specific technical differences between the various versions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.